galing to sa isa sa mga seniors. That you are holding a... My name is Justin Piñon, and people call me the mental assassin because of my ability to read minds. Okay, audience, huwag niyo sabihin sa akin yung item na hawak niya, but can you see the item she's holding? Yes! Okay, maraming sumagot sa harapan, so feeling ko medyo maliit siya. Kaya mo siya matago sa loob ng kamay mo. Tama ba, Anna Mary? Yes! Can you see the color? Yes, most of you are thinking silver. Some are thinking green, some are thinking transparent. Can you see the shape? Yes, pahaba. This is just calculated guessing. Feeling ko galing to sa isa sa mga seniors. Ito. Tama ba? Yes. Pero gumagamit din ako niyan, feeling ko, because Anna Mary, am I right in saying, pag binuksan mo, yan ba yung roll-on ng katingko? Katingko ba yan? Yes! Thank you very much!